This is Brian Owen, 863, at job number 607799 at 2148 Seaver Lane in Hoffman Estates. This is a same-day install on the 27th of July. Full system install. We're going to leave the existing humidifier. It's got a bypass right now. We just installed this recently. Four Seasons did the rest of the install. But we have done all the work in her home since. We've done electrical and plumbing. And she's a club member and she's using us now for full system install. So we're leaving the humidifier that we installed and doing a furnace, coil, and AC. We picked out a performance 2-stage furnace with a 13 SEER ABB3 AC. An uncased coil for the humidifier. $90,000 BTU furnace and a 3-ton air conditioner. Right on 863 in Hoffman Estates. Thank you.